The Highway Life, based on a true story. Alright, so I'm about to list off some shit that I should have done before going into winter. I just finished off my bulk area. I put in a 2x3 base. That half board trim there, I was just seeing how it would look, but once everything is done, that's what I'm gonna put in, but the full length, and that'll clean that up. I'm gonna put like a little cabinet drawer, well, cabinet storage there, which will hide that. And this, I'm thinking this top area down to the window will be a overhead storage at the foot of the bed, and then obviously my garage. Like I said, should have been done before winter. Completing my floor, completing that open ceiling area. I'm doing today so that I can start my partition wall, which I can't do because if you see, it comes back to where the partition wall would be as far as the floor goes. Can't go on to the next step until I finish the first step. It's also the reason why that board is not in place yet, because again, got to finish the floor before I can put that wall in. You don't want to trap it. Same thing with that wall. You don't want to trap it. One of my many days of thinking while I was off. So what do you guys notice? This half of the rib is supposed to complete the front of the cab area. Well, I don't have anything to attach it to. So after some thinking, this is what I've come up with. This piece of my ceiling is just another piece which overlaps it, and it will be from this beam to that beam tucked into the wall, which will pretty much hide all my spacing anyways, and then I can fill it with foam if I need to. Now you're probably like, yo, that shit look ugly. It doesn't matter, because again, this is gonna be covered by my partition wall that will be that will go all the way down. So that's how I'm addressing that part. There is no flexing because of this tight 2-point attachment. And then I'll do my boards like you saw in the rear. And then my front structure base for my cabinet will be done. Then I can do whatever box I want. I can do whatever trim I want. I can do whatever cabinet doors I want, sliding, whatever. But that's how I'm addressing that. To show you guys what I mean, here's an extra board here. Not of length that I need, but just to give you an idea. Once I cut it down to size, I'm gonna shove it into the styrofoam, well, to the foam, and then drill my next piece. Got the first 3 boards are in. Just gonna go ahead and complete it. Y'all don't need to see that process. Almost done. My bulk head area is finished for the driver front for now. I was able to finish that off, which is my primary concern. I will not put my trim in there yet, excuse me, my board in there to close that off yet, because I need to work on my partition. This part here is easy, same step as the rear that you guys saw in the previous episode. I'll address that later off camera, but I'll show you guys how it turns out. Alright guys, so I got my floor in, my driver area floor in. Had to remove the chair because when I was sliding it in, I couldn't get it in. Here's that one piece I was talking about where the board fell short because it was only 4 feet. I have a board already in place to put there, but it's not a top priority for me right now. And here is another view of the floor. As you can see, everything is flush. That's what that side looks like. I will be building a additional doghouse on top of the doghouse, kind of like for my cup holder area, but also I'm gonna insulate it so that I hold all the heat from the engine block, because I can feel it on my knees when I'm driving. But that's what it looks like.